Handa ka na ba sa mga financial goals mo ngayon 2021? Are you ready to be financially free? Handa ka na rin bang mag-ipon? Hi everyone! Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Dynamight Effect. Happy New Year everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Dynamight Effect. Paano nga ba mag-ipon? I'm a proud OFW dito sa UAE. At bilang manggagawang Pilipino sa labas ng ating bansa, particularly dito sa gitnang silangan or sa Middle East, mahalaga na marunong tayong magtipid at mag-ipon. Dahil dito, walang forever. Pero paano nga ba tayo makakaipon? As a human being, we all have a tendency to consume. At dahil naandito tayo sa consumer paradise na bansang ito tulad ng UAE, particularly dito sa Dubai, we all have a tendency to spend more. Lalo na pag nakikita mo yung mga magagandang malls, back-to-back sale here and there, malalaking ads, mga bagong labas na sasakyan, bagong labas na mga gadgets, mga devices, makikita mo yung malalaking ads, talaga namang maglalaway ka. Pero hindi tayo dapat magpadalos-dalos sa paggastos. Paano nga ba mag-ipon at magtipid? Here are my tips and tricks to save money. Tip number 1. Start now. Ano ba hinihintay mo? Maliit man yan or malaki, ang halaga, masimulan mo. So kung ang sahod mo 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 o mas mataas pa dyan, pwede kang mag-start mag-save ng 10%. Out of that, save mo na yan. Or kung medyo mabigat sa'yo at hindi kaya, you can start it with 5%. And then gradually increase it to 6%, 7%, 8%, 10%, 20%, 30%, and so on. Ang mahalaga na simulan mo na. Get into the habit of saving and investing. That's my tip number 1. My tip number 2. Have a financial plan listed and pin it up. Developing a habit of, saving and investment isn't easy. But once na masimulan mo na to, guaranteed na ang road to financial freedom, sayo na yan. And mahirap ito, pero kailangan natin ng willpower and strong determination para ma-achieve natin ito. So, ang payo ko lang, lista mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve. Like, you wanna save for your education ng mga bata, travel, or savings, everything that you want, your financial goals. And then, make sure to pin it up para you'll always be reminded about it. Tip number 3. Pay yourself first, reward yourself after achieve your target. After matanggap yung pera mo or yung sahod mo, always segregate. The first part is to your savings. And then after that, lista mo lahat ng expenses but put yourself on the top list. Buy something for yourself na kahit papano, it's a sort of reward to yourself for your hard work para hindi mo nararamdaman yung pagod. Iba magtrabaho dito sa ibang bansa. Ramdam mo yung pagod, ramdam mo yung hirap, lalo na pag malayo ka sa family mo. So once you get paid, split your cash, take off your savings, kung ilang percent yan, 5 or 10%, and then yung matitira for your expenses, but put yourself on the top list so that you can reward yourself. Kahit small thing lang yan, to make yourself, that is the satisfactory feelings. It would motivate you more to do more sa susunod pang mga araw. Stick to it without fail. That's important. Tip number 4, maintain 2 accounts and track your expenses. Maintaining 2 accounts. Remember kanina you have to split your cash. Either you split it in 30, 70, 20, 80, 40, 60, or 50, 50. It depends kung saan kung komportable. So you have your savings and your expenses. For your expenses, you can also track it using your banking application. So if you have mobile banking, you can track your expenses, or you can also do it on a Google Sheet or Excel sheet. Or you can also do the old school wherein you list it down. Ang mahalaga, you're tracking your expenses, you know where your money is going. Right? So you have to track all the expenses kung saan siya para mas na-monitor po natin. And this way, makikita mo kung saan pumupunta yung pera mo. If you're overspending, at least you can cut it and start saving. Tip number 5. But before that, kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please click the notification bell so you get updated sa aking latest uploads and videos. And since we are on the middle of our vlog, please don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Okay? Tip number 5, keep the change and don't keep cash in your wallet. Keep the change. Hindi mo nagbayad ka, just keep the change. No. What I'm saying is that keep those loose change na meron ka. If you have 1 dirham, 50 fils, 25 fils, may coins na meron ka, keep it. Keep those change. Who knows, one day, you would never know, umabot na siya ng 100 dirhams or 200 dirhams. And that's something that you can use to buy your favorite shirt na matagal mo nang inaasa-asa. Still, it can be a savings for you. And don't keep cash on your wallet. Para kapag mga cash-only store lang yung napuntahan mo, it stops you from spending. Remember, you can't spend what you don't have. I'm a firm believer, that's why I don't use cash at all. I'm a card user, but I use it smartly. So again, keep the change and don't keep cash in your wallet. And tip number 6, spend wisely. But how? Okay, avoid overspending on food. Do not buy so much pagkain na i-stock mo sa fridge at the end, nasasayang lang dahil nasisira. So, you have to budget it. Let's say weekly budget, you buy something for a week and then you can just use it for the whole week po. And of course, buy quality products. Minsan kasi iniisip natin na kapag mura siya, is mas makakatipid tayo. In the end, yung mura natin, mapapamura lang tayo because hindi natin namamalayan. At the end of the day, nasa basurahan lang siya because it's not a quality product. Okay lang bumili ng medyo mahal basta quality ang ating nabibili. Another thing is that keep an eye on discounts. Dito sa UAE, maraming mga discounts, right? So, kung bibili ka rin naman, shop around and choose wisely. So, pumunta ka din sa mga store na may mga discounts talaga, but make sure that you buy a quality product, not just because it's discounted, you have to buy it. Make sure quality ang product na bibilin mo. Choose quality over quantity. Another thing is that stay away from impulse purchases. Yung mga biglaan na gusto natin, ay gusto ko na to, sleep it over. I mean, have 24 hours. Mag-isipan mo muna kasi minsan akala natin gustong-gusto natin and we think it's important. Sometimes you have to sleep it over for 24 hours. By then, you would find out na hindi ko pala siya kailangan at hindi naman pala siya mahalaga. And sometimes, you have to avoid yung window shopping kasi yung window shopping nauwi sa real shopping na talaga. And at the end of the day, natitempt talaga tayo na gumastos ng pera. So, spend wisely. That's tip number 6. And here's my last tip. Tip number 7, live within your means. Avoid credit cards. Avoid borrowing money. Live within your means, simply ibig sabihin nito is that your lifestyle should be less than what you're earning. Kasi pag yung lifestyle natin mas mataas kaysa doon sinasahod natin, mababaon tayo. Avoid using credit card, especially kung hindi ka marunong gumamit ng credit card and you tend to spend more and more dahil may sahod kang inaasahan na pambayad dito. So that's a no. And avoid overspending. Avoid borrowing money. Especially minsan tayo nangihiram ng pera, hindi naman dahil sa kailangan lang natin, dahil stress lang tayo at gusto natin mag-shopping, so we tend to borrow money. So as much as possible, avoid borrowing money. Avoid using your credit card and pay your credit card first. So, kapag may credit card ka and you are really a credit card user just like me, ang una kong ginagawa is, of course, after receiving, I pay my credit card. So, yun yung nasa syempre kasama na dun yung you have to reward yourself, but then again, I pay my credit card para pagdating ng due date, bago mag-open a new statement, then it's down to 0 balance. So, I don't get charged anything extra by the credit card company or by the bank itself. Again, let me just recap the 7 tips and tricks that I have for you on how to save money. Tip number 1, start now. Number 2, have your financial goals listed and pin it up. Number 3, pay yourself and reward yourself. Number 4, maintain 2 accounts and track your finances. Number 5, keep the change and never keep cash in your wallet. Number 6, spend wisely. And number 7, live within your means. Avoid borrowing money, avoid using credit cards, and pay your cards first. Sana may natutunan ka sa ating tips and tricks for today, and I hope this would help you for your financial freedom. I hope guys na may natutunan tayo ng mga tips and tricks on how to save at para makaipon dito sa UAE. Whether dito or sa kahit anong bansa na nasaan ka man, it works. those are the tips that I have for you so that you can save this 2021. Again guys, Happy New Year sa lahat, and I hope that we all have a prosperous New Year, a blessed New Year, and of course, kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like mo na rin to and share this to your friends para lahat tayo merong financial freedom, and that's our financial goal for 2021. At kung may natutunan ka ngayon, please give me that big thumbs up and enjoy your 2021. And while you enjoy it, please make sure that you save money also for your future. Road to financial goals. Yan ang target natin for this year. 2021, financial freedom for everyone. Thanks and Happy New Year. Thanks everyone. Always remember, never stop learning and keep educating yourself. Bye everyone. See ya. When you buy food, make it's a budget for 1 week, and then you cook it, and then, you know, para maabot natin. Itatapon lang dahil nasira natin siya. Another thing is buy quality over quality product. Avoid the Stay away from impulse purchases, yung mga tipong nagustuhan natin. So, sleep over for 24 hours and try to check if you really like it. Kasi at the end of 24 hours, marirealize mo na, ay, hindi pa na natin kailangan to. So, yun yung sinasabi natin. Stay away from impulse purchases. Like yung mga stay away from impulse purchases or stop being impulsive. Stay away from from window shopping, kasi yung window shopping at the end of the day, no is real shopping talaga. So, ayun, napapagastos po tayo. So, pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay, if you pay yourself first, reward yourself when you achieve your goal. I am a proud OFW here in Dubai. At bilang manggagawang Pilipino sa loob ng bansa, 5. Don't keep the change and don't keep cash on your wallet. Ayan, tumatawa na naman siya. Nanonood siya ng video. Ingay niya, kanina pa siya, tawa ng tawa. Tigas ng ulo, sabi niya ng tao. Nakakainis siya, lagi na lang siyang ganyan. Sis, mingay! Sel.
Ha?
Kamaingay ka ako. Tawa ka ng tawa. Ano siya ng tawa? Dahil dito, walang forever. Dahil dito, walang forever.